the second part of the video series I am doing on converting ASP.NET MVC 5 to .NET Core, and I have already opened the Visual Studio, and if you look at the Server Explorer, you get I have deleted all the login tables which starts with ASP here, so I have only the tables related to the products and um, other models. Um, you can convert the usernames and logins to new format, but it is a much longer process. So to keep it simple, I have deleted that and we'll create a new login. Okay, one thing we are going to do is we'll start debugging. We'll see whether we can create the login tables automatically. We'll say register, we'll enter a name. Okay, it says database operation failed. Apply existing migration for application DB context. May resolve this issue. Okay, first option we try is apply migration. So it is asking to refresh the page. Anyway, I think it is not going to solve that. We'll see. Yeah, okay, already done it. Yeah, okay, we'll see login. Yep, okay, so by refreshing the page, it has already done. We'll see what are the tables now. Click refresh. Yep, okay, it has created all the login tables. That is simple. Yeah, okay, so now we'll stop debugging, and one thing you notice is that we don't have a link to the companies list, so we always have to type it manually, so we'll change it. So we'll go to layout page under the views, shared, and if you look here, there is the navigation bar is here, so we'll copy one of them. Maybe we'll copy this one, add a new line. So the controller name in this case is companies, COMPANIES. So we want to see the index page, so that's okay. So we'll see whether it works. Debug, start debugging. No, it has not come. Yeah, okay, home, contact. Okay, all right, so we didn't put the correct name. That is the problem. Yeah, okay, so we need to put this one name as companies. Debug, start debugging. Okay, now it says companies. Yep, all right. Okay, we'll now create a controller for the plans model, and we'll go to the controllers folder and right click, add, controller, and we'll use MVC controller with views using entity framework and click add. Will take few minutes. We'll from the model class we'll select plan. We are going to use the same file data context class and use the standard layout page. It will be called plans controller. If you like, you can change that name. We'll add. Okay, it has added the plans controller. We'll see what happens if we try to see the list of plans. Okay, list of companies is working. We'll go to plans. Okay, it says SQL exception invalid object name plan. So we'll see what is the name of the something wrong with the name of the table. So table name is plans. So if we look at the model, I think it is saying plan, so it is using the same table name. So we will manually change the table name because we don't want to change the data. We'll say name PLNS name. I think we need to have it inside quotation marks. Okay, looks like we'll see. Okay, we can see the list of plans. We'll format them with nice colors later, and for the time being it is working. And we will add that link to the layout file. You see the under the views you can see the shared layout files. So we'll open this layout file and we'll add the link to. Okay, it should be somewhere here. Okay, just like we added the companies to this one, and we'll do the same thing for the plans. We'll copy this. You can just place the cursor there and press Ctrl C and go to the next line and press Ctrl V. No need to select the line completely. And this should be plans PLNS. So we are going directly to the index file. We'll see how it works. Start debugging. Okay, so we have the same problem like before. We'll see. So we have named it companies still, so we need to change that. Yeah, okay. So here it should be plans. Debug, start debugging. Okay, now it says plans. Yep. Okay, so you can see the plans and companies. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we will see whether we can edit, delete and create a new company in this application or that or website. Yeah, okay, so we'll start going for debugging, and so it is this one. We'll go to companies and we'll see create new. We'll give it a name, hosting 19. Just give some arbitrary name. We'll give one head office is in where is that, in SYDNEY. Give something. We'll say create. So it has created that. Yep. Okay, we'll see whether we can edit that. We'll change, instead of Sydney we'll say Australia. Change the telephone number and say they have email support. We'll save. Okay, we'll see it is there. Okay, we can see the basic details, and other thing we'll see whether we can delete that. Yep. Okay, so all the crude functions are working. Now we'll see whether we can register for the website. Okay, we'll see register. We'll enter some email and give it a password. Repeat the password. Okay, it says username is already taken, so maybe I have to try a different one. Okay, so it has done it. We see it is already allowed us to log in, so that is some issue we need to resolve. So we need to verify through email before we can let users log in. And thanks very much for watching, and we'll see in the next video.